One of the most challenging parts of research writing is knowing how to begin. Many students sit in front of a blank page, unsure of what to write first. And as a result, the introduction becomes confusing or overly complicated. But writing a strong introduction does not have to be difficult. You simply need a clear structure. In this video, we are going to look at how to write a strong research introduction step by step. The purpose of an introduction is to guide your reader. It tells them what your research is about, what you are trying to find out, and what to expect from your work. A strong introduction usually has three key parts. The first part is introducing the topic. Begin by explaining the general area of your research. Keep it simple. For example, if your research is about social media and students, you might begin by explaining how social media has become a significant part of daily life. This gives your reader context. The second part is stating your research question. This is one of the most important parts of your introduction. You need to clearly state what your research is trying to answer. For example, this research explores how social media affects the concentration of secondary school students during study time. This makes your purpose clear. The third part is explaining what your research will focus on. In other words, what areas will you cover? You might briefly mention the key points or themes that your research will discuss. This helps the reader understand what to expect. A simple way to remember this structure is topic, question, focus. One common mistake is trying to sound overly academic. Some students use complicated language that makes their writing unclear. But research writing should be clear and direct. Clarity is more important than complexity. Another mistake is including too much detail in the introduction. Remember, the introduction is not the full explanation. It is simply a guide. You will develop your ideas in the main body of your research. When your introduction is clear, the rest of your writing becomes easier. It gives your work direction, and it helps your reader follow your thinking. If you would like a structured guide that helps you plan and write your research step by step, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It includes guidance, examples, and structured tools to support your learning. On this channel, we will continue breaking research into simple, practical steps. If that would help you, consider subscribing, because when you start your research clearly, everything that follows becomes stronger.